Well, this afternoon, just as expected, some thunderstorms have been firing off around the coastal Empire and low country. Not too much in the way of rainfall yet in Savannah, but Viper radar is tracking some of that heavier rain, and we can see the gray sky off in the distance from our Savannah camera. Now, as far as Viper radar, most of the activity has been to our south. The severe thunderstorm warning for Long County has been able to expire as that cell is starting to weaken. Still some heavy rain around Ludowici and Walltowerville right now into eastern Long County along Highway 84, but actually the stronger of the cells that we are watching is a little bit more to the north into Tattnall County. This one drifting northward around 15 to 20 miles per hour, pushing toward Midway and Lynn right now. You can see some very intense rain right in your area just to the south with a lot of lightning, and any of the storms that do develop today will be able to produce heavy rainfall, frequent lightning, and even that possibility for gusty and breezy winds. Seeing that developing across Bryan County to the low country. We've had some of that activity pushing across Beaufort, pushing toward I-95 and Ricetown and Ridgeland, just on the edge of a cell that's starting to weaken right now. However, still some breezy winds and certainly a few pockets of heavier rain possible with a few of those cells moving through. And again, where the rain has been falling, we've had high rainfall rates down in Long County. Viper radar estimating about 3.5 inches of rain in that bullseye right in here in the southeastern portion of the county, about an inch near Rincon, estimated by Viper radar. And because of that heavy rain, Rincon down to 85 degrees, 79 for Hampton, 83 for Hinesville with those storms in the area, but where it has been drier, still a bit hotter with those temperatures in the upper 90s, feeling like 101 in Baxley, 97 in Darien. So still very warm and humid, hot and humid conditions out there this afternoon. And that's going to be the case for the next few days thanks to the Bermuda high staying in place, but that will help to steer in some extra moisture for the next few days from a tropical wave north of the Bahamas. This will help to increase our storm chances mainly for us as we head into the weekend, especially on Saturday. So scattered showers and storms are expected for at least the next 3 days. And as far as what we are going to be looking at, we are looking at those storms continuing as we head into the evening hours. 76 degrees for the low temperature with a few storms continuing during those overnight hours. And then for tomorrow, the scattered storm chances will actually be a little bit greater for us in the earlier part of the day, and then for the late afternoon we are going to be looking at hot and humid conditions, a few spots making it into the middle 90s for those high temperatures. For the boaters, we'll have an east wind 5 to 10 knots, giving us seas right around 2 to 3 feet. So over the next few days, those storm chances are going to be elevated, especially for us on Saturday and into Sunday. Monday and Tuesday we start to transition into a drier pattern, but getting hotter and more humid as the week goes on. Highs in the upper 90s for Wednesday and Thursday, and that means we could have heat index values pushing 105 degrees or more with the humid conditions sticking around. So definitely get ready for that. But over the next few days, keep an eye to the sky because of that chance for showers and storms. Andrew?